Sami was a small boy with long brown hair on his head, wearing a blue pant and shirt. He loved magic tricks and fun games. One evening, he was walking home when he saw a tiny, colorful hat lying on the road. Wow! A Joker's hat. Sami picked it up and placed it on his head. Poof! Suddenly, he shrunk into a tiny Joker. His blue shirt turned into a bright, colorful Joker costume, and funny bells appeared on his shoes. Before he could understand what was happening, a big circus tent appeared in front of him. A little Joker with a red nose and rainbow clothes jumped out and said, "Welcome, Sami. Now you must perform the funniest act ever." Sami gulped. "But I don't know how to be a Joker." The little Joker laughed. "Then let me teach you." He gave Sami a cream pie and whispered, "Throw it at me." Sami hesitated but then splashed the pie on the Joker's face. Splat! The audience burst into laughter. Sami jumped, danced, and tumbled. He even pulled out a never-ending scarf from his pocket. Everyone clapped and cheered. Hooray for Sami the Joker. Finally, the little Joker handed him a golden balloon. "Pop this, and you'll go home." Sami popped the balloon, and poof! He was back home, wearing his blue shirt and pants again. The Joker's hat lay beside him, glowing softly. Sami smiled. "That was fun, but maybe I should return this hat before I turn into a